Hello, my name is Christian de Vartavan and I am the Global Ambassador and Advisor for PUBLIQ. PUBLIQ is a non-profit foundation established in 2017 as well as a blockchain publishing platform. The publishing platform is developed by an international team and supported by various companies, including mine, as I'm also the CEO of Projectus Consultant Limited, a London Mayfair-based company specializing in new technologies such as blockchain, artificial intelligence, and quantum computing. PUBLIQ functions with a proprietary open source blockchain protocol specifically developed for its platform and extended media network. It is a secure and sustainable ecosystem which offers an environment of trust to its users. For far too long, powerful intermediaries have profited unfairly from the creations of others. The PUBLIQ platform removes the middleman and immediately rewards writers, such as freelance journalists, scholars or educators, or videographers in particular, for their creation. So if you write any type of text or create any type of video, PUBLIQ is for you. Simply open a free account in under 5 minutes. Create or copy-paste an article of yours, tag it and share it to the world. Then let the magic happen. You will see rewards arriving in your PUBLIQ account every 10 minutes on the dot. PUBLIQ can do this because it redistributes 100% of the advertising revenue to its members. Payments made within the ecosystem are made in PUBLIQ's utility token, the PBQ. The PBQ will be exchangeable as from March 29, 2019 with fiat currencies such as the pound and dollar. This means PUBLIQ users have a genuine, in many cases life-changing opportunity to create an alternative revenue for themselves. If not, a main source of income depending on score and success. So let's now have a look at the video.
Hello everyone, I'm Samantha and I will show you how to join PUBLIQ Media as an author and post content to get immediate rewards. Connect to publiq.site and join as an author. To do this, click on Join to begin the registration process. You will receive a confirmation link after entering your email. Click on it to continue. A recovery phrase is provided to recover your password if you forget it. It is very important to keep this phrase safe on or offline. Once you've entered a secure password, you will immediately be taken to PUBLIQ Publisher's homepage as an author. Click on the author's icon at the top right to access all the functionality one needs to get going. Profile section allows you to personalize your PUBLIQ account. Click on New Story to start creating your first content. Use the tutorial if you need to understand any feature better. Once I type a title, add tags. Both are a must to enable publishing, and a headline. I can now start writing the story using the user-friendly and simple CMS platform PUBLIQ provides. To add a photo or a video link, use the plus sign on the left. Add a photo header if you wish. You are now good to publish it, or you may leave it as a draft to work on it later. You can also boost your content by spending a certain amount of PBQ for a particular period. As the article is posted, others are able to view, like or dislike, or share. As you can see, my article is already on the platform. So reading any article on PUBLIQ, clicking to like it or sharing it, adds to the author's reputation, which means more PBQ tokens in his or her wallet. Authors can also create publications where they can group both their stories as well as invite other authors and editors to join the post. We will simply make a publication called Blockchain and post on it the article we just created. Go to My Stories to retrieve it. You can learn how PUBLIQ calculates both the reputation score and related real-time share of the author by reading PUBLIQ's white paper through the following link. Now the magic bit. Click on the P sign at the top right, which represents PUBLIQ's utility token, the PBQ, and thereafter on My Transactions. A ledger is showing PBQ's rewards received every 10 minutes sharp for your posted content and feedback based on your real-time share. You may receive PBQ tokens from others or send PBQs to other users going through relevant functions in your wallet. Clicking on author's name, you can see real-time reputation of the author in Public. This represents a real-time share of the author in the 100% PBQ revenue distributed by Public instantly. Both revenue from advertising and newly issued tokens are distributed. This is visible with two separate amounts received at the same time. Head on over to explorer.public.network to see Public Blockchain Network in action. Once a block is issued, it may be traced through the Explorer. On March 31st, when PBQ is officially listed, earned PBQs may be converted into fiat and other cryptocurrencies, providing a real source of revenue to content creators and publishers. Hopefully this video was helpful in showing functionality of Public Media Platform. We invite you to also join to become an owner of Public Media.